morning, everybody. We're at Walgreens on this cold morning, but I am excited to share with you guys today's deals. A lot of the same deals. I'm sorry, but Walgreens, you need to change your ad up a little bit because I feel like we're always getting the same things at least every 3 weeks, give or take. But you know what? That's okay. It's a great thing to stock up on it, but there's some great favorite deals that everybody loves. So let's go inside and I can share with you guys today's deals at Walgreens. So here we have the Dial hand soap. My store is sold out of the foam, but these are two for $5 on sale all month long. But you're gonna buy 2 of them, you can pay $5, but then there is an I bought a rebate with a limit of 1 for $1 off. So you'd basically get these for $4 or $2 each if you guys are interested in that. My store also has a Dial on clearance, the big one that was originally $9.99 on clearance for $4.99. You could use that $1 off coupon or $1 off rebate, making this just $3.99, which for that is an awesome deal for refills. Here we have the L'Oreal Elvive for just 2 for $9. We currently have a 2 off of 2 IVC coupon that you guys can use, and then you can also stack it with a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, making these just $3 or $1.50. And I feel like this is the price you're gonna pay for this stuff, for this brand. I feel like that's the price we always pay, but still a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Head and Shoulders. Most of them are just $6. You're gonna use this 3 off of 2. We'll focus the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You will end up paying just $9, but when you purchase the 2, you will receive a $4 register reward, making both of them just $5 or $2.50 each. If you have a hankering for Pop-Tarts, these are on sale this week, 2 for $4, but we currently have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just get these for $3 or $1.50 each. If you have a hankering for some Jif peanut butter, they have these on sale for 2 for $6. You're gonna pay $6 for it, but with the Fetch Rewards app, you actually get 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. It is a limit of 3 for this deal, so you could buy 2 of them, pay $6, get $2 back with Fetch Rewards, making them just $4 or $2 each. The deal of the week is these little baby bottles of Arm & Hammer. I feel like my dolls could play with these. Yeah, but anyways, these are $1.99, and as you see right here, they have some larger bottles and then the back down to the baby bottles, even though they both say 28 loads, which I think that's a crack. But $1.99 deal of the week. I think it's just the liquid because I don't think the pods are included, so just want to give you guys a heads up. So here we have the Dawn dish soap on sale for $1.24, and we have the Gain soap on sale for $1.99. This sale goes on like every other week, I think, but this is the same deal, so you guys can mix and match, or you can buy 2 of 2, whatever you want to do. But you can buy 2 of the Dawns for $1.24. You will pay $2.48 for 2 of them, but when you purchase 2 of them, you will receive a $1 register reward, making them just $1.48 or 74 cents each. Or you can buy the Gain Squeeze for $1.99. You would pay $3.98, but then you get that $1 register reward, making it just $2.98 or $1.49 each. So here's a clearance find I found, which I'm pretty excited. So we have the Clorox toilet starter kit for $13.99. It is marked down for $3.39. I actually have these in one of my bathrooms, and I've been wanting to get another one. So what it comes with is it comes with like a little caddy and a handle, and then it comes with these scrubbing pads. And then what you do is you just connect one of these little dry scrubbing pads to this, and then once it like gets wet, it like makes a huge game changer. I'm getting this because for $3.39, yes. So here we have the Colgate on sale. Now there's 2 different digital coupons, so you got to pay attention. We have a Colgate coupon, a digital one that has like toothbrushes and mouthwash on it. So that one is a 3 off of 2, and then we also have a $3 off of 2 for toothpaste. But there's 2 different scenarios that you guys can do. So what you can do is you can grab the toothpaste. You can grab 2 of those. You would end up getting 2 of them for $8. You would use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. you would pay $5, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them $1 each. So I wouldn't do it for the toothpaste deal for this scenario. What you guys can do, which is probably a better deal, is you can get the Colgate toothbrushes for $4. We got that. Or you can get 2 of those, or you can get the Colgate mouthwash. That is also $4. For that one, you're going to use this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $5 for that, but then you will receive a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them just $2 or $1 each, which that is a better deal. Yes, you guys can pay with Walgreens cash to do this deal. The next deal we're going to do is I'm going to get the $5 toothpaste. I'm going to get the sensitive one because that's what my family is always asking for. Those are $5. You're going to use this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You're going to end up paying $7 for the 2 of these, but you will receive a $6 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents each, which is a better deal for that. So just giving you guys a heads up if you're looking at getting some of the toothpaste. So here we have, you can get the Oral-B toothbrushes. There are some for $3, there's some for like $3.50, but you can get the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3. We also have one toothpaste on sale for $3. There are some that are $3.50. And then what you guys could do is get some of the mouthwash. We have this little itty bitty baby bottle right there for just $3. You can mix and match however you want, but you're going to use this 3 off of 2 digital coupon, but you will pay $3 for the 2 of them. But then when you purchase the 2, you will receive a $3 register reward, making both items absolutely free. Now, if you buy the $4 items, you will get them for $8. You will use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, but then you'll get that $3 register reward, making them $1 each. So it just depends on what you guys want to do. I'm going to get one of the toothbrushes, or I'm probably going to get the toothbrushes because that's something that never expires and it's a great deal. So here's a deal that the coupon ends soon. So what I'm going to get is I'm going to get one of the Rimmel lip products. These are $4.99. There is currently $2 off digital coupons, so I'm gonna use the $2 off digital coupon for the lip, and then I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna get actually the blush. I'm debating if I want to get the blush or the bronzer, but these are $5.99, and you're gonna use the $2 off digital coupon. They are buy one get one 50% off. So before the coupons are factored in, you're gonna pay $8.48, but then you're gonna get them for $4.84. I can't speak. But anyways, after the coupons, you're going to get them for $4.48. But then we have an Ibotta deal where you get $2 off the face, and then you get $2 off the lip. It doesn't say you can't use it with coupons. So you're going to get $4 back with Ibotta, making your final price for them just 48 cents. 48 cents. Awesome. Awesome deal. We also have the makeup remover, and that counts towards the eye if you guys need some liquid makeup remover, but they're $4.79. But yeah, awesome deal. So here's the deal that I always say, do it when you have it, but here we have the Complete Home Walgreens brand small trash bags or medium trash bags. They're regular price just $4.99, but they're buy one get 2 free. So you basically pay $4.99. That comes out to be just $1.66 a box, which is an awesome deal. I use these for my car and my bathrooms, which is an awesome deal. Here is another favorite that everybody likes. I feel like this is on sale last week, but this is an all-month sale. But here we have the Walgreens baggies. They are buy one get 2 free. So you guys would get them $2.79. You can mix and match however you want, but you'd get them for buy one get 2 free. That comes out to be just 93 cents each. Hello everybody. So my store is a 24-hour store, and starting next week it'll no longer be a 24-hour store, and that is okay because the thing is I get like an extra half an hour of sleep, which is nice. But one of the managers that I like hanging out with, or not hanging out with, but talking to, is leaving me, but that is okay. But I'm hoping, you know, the tags are up by the time I get there and all that fun stuff. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys. So this deal is no longer valid. So before I see the comments, which I always see the comments, you never told us the code. dead deal. This is a dead deal. The other day I shared with you guys a free 8x10. Anytime I see them, I will try to share with you. But I ended up doing like a hack. And there's a video that I did at the beginning of January where I could do 4x6 photos and 5x7 photos into an 8x10. Because you guys know what? We get 8x10s all the time. 8x10s all the time. I have no more room for 8x10s. But I need 4x6s and then I need 5x7s. So that was an awesome hack. So that is a dead deal, but I'm just sharing with you guys. If you guys ever need something like that, definitely check out that video. But let's just dig in. So I have a question. Do you guys like it when I go through my haul after Walgreens? Let me know if you guys do or not. I don't do it with Walmart because that video can get kind of long, but like with Walgreens, I don't get as much stuff as I do at Walmart. And I can also just shorten the video and not have it, but yeah. But I'm super excited to find this, you guys. I'm like, yes. And there's been some really good deals with Brand Club with something like this, but it's mostly for like the refills. But I am so excited to finally have another one. I have 3 bathrooms and I at least want one on each floor of my house. But this is a great deal for $3.39. Make sure you guys check it. Your store might have it. And if it's not marked, see if you can do a price check because it might not be marked. So, yes, I'm just saying, yes, I'm obsessed with a freaking toilet bowl cleaner. Yes, it's like the highlight of my day. It's like, yeah, okay. So, I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste, the sensitive, because this is something that sells, or not sells, but this is something my relatives ask all the time. I need to have sensitive toothpaste. I've yet to use this one. Maybe I should try this one. I should try this one. But these were $5. You're going to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. But then when you purchase the 2 of them, you will receive a $6 register reward, making these $1 or 50 cents each. I have had no coffee today. I don't drink coffee. I've had no candy, no sugar. What did I have? I didn't even eat anything this morning. No. I'm just high on life, you guys. Just high on life. Okay. Before I lose these, I ended up doing the Rimmel deal. So these, this was $4.99. This was $5.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. I had a $2 off digital coupon for the face, and I had a $2 off digital coupon for the lip. $4.48 is the price you'd pay. You get to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 and $2, making these 48 cents or 24 cents each. Now that digital coupon does end in 2 days. 2 days, so it probably ends on Tuesday. I'm assuming Tuesday. So, yes. Okay, I ended up doing the Dawn dish soap. I have so much Gain soap, but I like to get Dawn. My mom's like, I need some Dawn. Okay, get some Dawn. So these were $1.24. You're gonna buy 2 of them, pay $2.48. You get that $1 register reward. I am all over the place today, you guys. I have a lot of energy. You get that $1 register reward, making it just $1.48 or 74 cents each. Now, with register rewards, it has come to my attention, a lot of them roll. A lot of them roll. Now, I can't always guarantee they will roll, but I'm going to try to just not mention it, and if it doesn't roll, then you need to see if your store can give you points, or you got to contact the Catalina company. But majority of them roll, and if you guys are confused, so what you do is if you buy that Dawn dish soap and you go and you get this $1 register reward, then you go back to do the deal again, you can pay with this $1 register reward, and another one should print off. It should print off. A lot of everybody is saying these are rolling, so just giving you guys a heads up with that. Okay, then I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrushes. These were $3. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3 for it, but then you receive a $3 register reward, making these free. Yes, free. Okay, that's our favorite answer. Then I ended up getting the Colgate mouthwash. I wish my store carried the other ones instead of just this one. And then we got the Colgate toothbrush. These were $4. I used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Now there's 3 off of 2 digital coupons. paid $5 for it, but then you get a $3 register reward, making these just $2 or $1 each, which I usually say this stuff, you usually pay for that. So yeah. And then I also got the L'Oreal Elvi for 2 for $9. I sound like a robot, but you want to use the 4 off a 2 digital coupon, and then there is the 2 off a 2 IVC coupon, making these $3 or $1.50 each. So yeah. So that was everything that I got. I didn't go like super crazy because number one, I have a lot of the stuff, like the baggies. I have a lot of that stuff. Arm & Hammer, I feel weird paying $1.99 for just a tiny little baby bottle. But you guys use it. I don't use that, but you guys can use it. Trash bags, awesome deal, but I have a lot of them. And Pop-Tarts, I'm still eating what I bought a couple weeks ago. I just opened the box yesterday, so I'm like, not on my Pop-Tart kicks, but that's still a great deal. But my total came to $21.23. That's a good deal for that price, $21.23. I did pay with register rewards to lower my pocket. My out-of-pocket was like $1 something. That's how much I actually had to pay, $1. It was like $1.23. But I did pay with register rewards. Everything that I bought, you guys can pay with Walgreens cash if you choose to do that. But I did pay with register rewards, but that's not factored into my final price. But I did receive $13 worth of register rewards. I always roll my gift cards or roll my register rewards. So all the register rewards that I received today, I will use them either the next week or the following week, but I'm always rolling register rewards. That's just how I like it, less out of pocket. Yes, it sucks about like points and stuff, but as long as I keep rolling those register rewards, we are fine. But I did receive $13 of register rewards. With points, I only received 38 cents. 38 cents. I did have a booster bonus, but it was if I bought like $20 of the Nice brand, I think is what it was. And then with Ibotta, I did receive $4 back for the 2 Rimmel products, making my final price just $3.85. $3.85, yes. I got 13 items for just 30 cents each, which I am happy that I got all of that stuff for that price. Yes. But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I love it if you guys would help me out. It's free to learn how to save money, and I try to show you guys deals all the time. But yeah, oh, it is way too bright outside right now. But that is my haul, everything that I got. I know you guys can laugh at me, but I'm just really excited for this. It's like a baby. It's like a baby. But again, give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. As far as I know, Valentine's Day stuff is 50% off. They were marking some of the Squishmallows 50% off. I know a lot of people were saying that those were not included in the Valentine's clearance, and I think because people, I don't know, but my store had a whole wall of Squishmallows, but he was marking some of them down. So make sure you guys are price checking that. I don't know if Walgreens will hit 90% off. I don't know, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Make sure you give this video again thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.